Did you know your brain can generate 23 watts of power, enough to light a small bulb? But what's even more impressive is how that power can heal your body. This process, called neuroplasticity, allows your brain to rewire itself. It's not just science fiction, this is your biology at work. By tapping into specific brainwave states like theta, associated with creativity and healing, you can unlock your body's natural repair mechanisms. For example, daily meditation enhances theta waves, while listening to binaural beats aligns your brain frequencies and boosts healing. Gratitude journaling? It shifts your focus, activating neural circuits tied to resilience. Imagine using your brain as its own self-charging battery for not only physical but emotional recovery. The question is, which brainwave state do you want to explore next? Subscribe for more brainwave bites and unleash the full potential of your mind. Your transformation starts here.